Punjabi kudiya matlab rabdi mer sab sohniyan hondiyan ne, right? And one auntie ji just looked at me and she asked, बच्चे नहीं हुए अभी तक? I said नहीं. बड़ा शौक है आज़ाद रहने का, जवानी का, अपनी फिगर का. And it was so heartbreaking because उससे 2 महीने पहले मेरा मिसकैरेज हुआ था.
आप सोचते ना कि दंगे कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना.
People form opinions not based on who you are, it on based on what they are. मतलब कुछ आप अच्छा कर भी रहोगे तो भी आपको ये नहीं लगेगा कि हाँ जी ये तो मेरी वजह से हुआ है. She said learn to take credit for things that you have done. पीछे से मुझे आवाज आती है कि जितनी मर्जी अर्जी तुम लगा लो, जब तक तुम्हारी अर्जी पे हमारे दस्तखत नहीं होंगे, तुम्हारी अर्जी कबूल नहीं होगी.
For your mama, for the superwoman, yeah, Ginny.
She may seem like a very fun or calm or elegant person to some people, but truly no one can know that she's not just one person. She's like a sum of 8 people in one.
अपनी पोइट्री की बुक लिखी है and the language in that is such कि I think it will take me 3 lifetimes to reach that expertise of English. छोले भटूरे खाते हैं हम तो I literally message that person कि एक योगर्ट बोल जो है वो 1 हफ्ता चलता है जितने की तुम्हारी 1 प्लेट छोले भटूरे की रोज आती है. क्या ओपिनियन है? Like what? How everyone runs their household, it's their personal. From the minute you enter till the time you are off, and there are stay backs, there are events, on holidays there are school functions, there is so much, there are meetings that follow. आज से 6 साल पहले किसी को पता था कि क्रिएटर फील्ड एक ऐसा आ जाएगा कि आपको वीडियोस करने और आप ये करोगे और आपके फॉलोअर्स हो जाएंगे और आपको उसके लिए अवार्ड भी मिलेगा. पता था कि आपको पॉपुलैरिटी मिलेगी. नो, डॉक्टर बनोगे, इंजीनियर बनोगे, ये करोगे, वो करोगे. हमने दुनिया देखी है, हमने ये करे. डोंट फॉरगेट चाइल्ड इज द फादर ऑफ मैन.
सुपर वुमनिया के आज के शो में मेरे साथ है सुपर वुमनिया जिनी. फर्स्टली आई हैव टू गिव यू दिस टाइटल. क्या हो आप? और आपने कहा ना कि पहले ये होता है फिर वाव आ जाता है, पर मैं सच्ची में आपके अपलॉड्स और आपके जो सेलिब्रेशन के लिए तालियां हर जगह बजी हैं. आई फॉलो यू ऑन योर इंस्टाग्राम. इतने सारे लोग आपको फॉलो करते आए हैं. पर ये जो जिनी की जो दास्तान थी, was she rubbed in a way that that became a Ginny the solid one? और कि शुरुआत ही इतनी प्यारी थी कि निक्की आप बोलो कि यार मेरी कहानी ना बहुत इजी पीजी रही है. तो जिनी सच में what was your story way back? अगर मैं बोलूँ 20 साल पहले या 10 साल पहले, ये कहानी ये जिन्नी कैसी बनी? Commonwealth winner, fitness expert, but what was your story when you started your life from बचपन? चलो शुरू करते हैं. Let's go back to your childhood.
Okay, so born and brought up in a very educated and liberated family, God's grace, and parents extremely humble and very, very noble and highly educated again, touch wood. And father was working with the Genius India Limited. We lived abroad all my childhood in Algeria. Traveled to 22 countries by the time I was 8 years old. But of course, I did not remember anything at all. Very, very few things, some snippets from US, some snippets from the house that we lived in. And then moved back to India, studied here, wanted to become an engineer, could not become an engineer. And then English honors, and then B.Ed, M.Ed, MA English, All Delhi University.
घर की सबसे छोटी बेटी?
छोटी बेटी. Got into teaching and teaching profession and got married in India, love marriage.
Love marriage. कैसे हुआ? प्यार कहाँ हुआ? शादी?
मत याद दिलाओ.
So is he your best half?
Sorry, Pankaj.
Is he your best half or is he your better half?
He's my karmic partner.
How cute, yeah.
Okay.
That just brings a smile with a happy husband.
Very resourceful and a very, very helpful and a nice guy.
क्या बात है?
Okay, but much love is lost when life happens.
Oh.
Yeah. So got married into absolute patriarchy.
Oh.
Absolute patriarchy, the kind you must have seen in movies in the 1920s. But since I was working and educated, so apparently things were very different. And I choose always not to talk about it.
Okay. You chose, but आज हम ये बातें करेंगे?
Subtly कर सकते हैं.
Subtly कर सकते हैं. तो जो आप patriarchy word बोलते हो कि आपके लिए ये exactly क्या वो moment है? वेरी हम बहुत सारे books में पढ़ते हैं इसके बारे में, पर अगर आपने वो जिया है तो क्या था? What made you feel कि यार ये तो ऐसा हो रहा है?
Patriarchy, the impact of patriarchy is mostly on all the middle class household and upper middle class households also. And it's a mindset which comes from extreme lack of education, and lack of evolvement. Sure. And see, nobody is born super accomplished, right? Your birth is not under your control, but then where you're born and where do you take your life further from, it entirely depends on the profession, on the education, and on the experiences that you get. So everyone has a right to evolve. सबको है right evolve होने का. अब ये आपकी choice है कि आप किस चीज़ में खुशी ढूंढना चाहते हैं और आपको क्या लगता है कि कौन सी चीज़ में आप कोशिश करके हिम्मत कर सकते हैं. तो मुझे लगता है कि हिम्मत हर किसी को करनी चाहिए. बाकी आगे किस्मत तो है ही है. बन गया तो भी किस्मत है और नहीं बना तो किस्मत को तो ब्लेम आप कर ही सकते हैं, है ना?
जो अक्सर हम कभी कभार करते हैं.
ज्यादातर करते हैं.
ज़्यादातर
लेकिन तब ब्लेम करो जब आप एफर्ट नहीं करते.
So true,
ठीक
यार.
है? I got into teaching and 15 years I was a teacher with Salwan Public School, Delhi,
क्या
English
बात.
teacher. And may I say I was one of the best in the
Amazing.
complete education trust with a very, very popular, at least even children and students from the first classroom that I
Oi, oi.
entered, they are in touch with me even now.
And I have to tell you, your energy is just overpowering me as well. यार, I love it. Wow.
Okay, so they are in touch with me even now,
क्या बात
and
है, Anjali.
many of them have reached out ever since I joined the fitness profession.
Amazing.
And some of them changed their profession, and they said that, "Ma'am, we gave your example."
अरे वाह.
And you know the reason why I got so much popularity in the first year itself when I changed my profession after 15 years of teaching was because I was a teacher.
So beautiful.
So they talk about age, they talk about this. I personally feel I could make it because of the age.
करण जौहर, ये ना आपके लिए कहानी बन रही है यहाँ पे. Seriously, again. तो मतलब जिन्हें a life in the abroad, देश से परदेश आप थे, परदेसी थे, फिर आप हिंदुस्तान आए. Of course you got married. Life was again a little tough. But your teaching का जो है ना, घर से जो चौखट से बाहर निकलने का फैसला, was your husband a part of saying yes to you over there when you wanted to become a teacher?
So I come from a working family. Except for
Okay.
my grandmother, everybody I've seen working around me. You know,
Okay.
masis, chachis, mama, everyone. So this concept of not working और आपको allow कर दिया was quite alien to me. I was like, मतलब allow क्या कर दिया? मतलब job तो सभी को करनी होती है. Like इसमें what was a big deal about it?
Right.
So, but of course, you know, the thought process of people. So I have realized with age, if I may add, I have realized that people form opinions not based on who you are, based on what they are.
क्या बात.
ठीक है. तो जो नौकरी नहीं कर रहा या जिसको एक फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस की आदत नहीं है, वो उसके सामने अगर आप बोल दोगे, आई सीन यू नो पीपल सेइंग दिस टू मी दैट ओ माय गॉड फोन बहुत पुराना हो गया, पता नहीं पंकज कब मेरे को नया फोन देगा, माय हस्बैंड. तो आपको क्या जरूरत है मांगने की? आप तो इंडिपेंडेंट हो, आप तो कमाते हो. तो आई वाज लाइक, ये क्या ओपिनियन है? लाइक व्हाट? How everyone runs their household, it's their personal thing, right? But this opinion will come from somebody who himself has not been working or who doesn't have that atmosphere in his house where people are working. So मुझे लगता है ये 1925 है कि 2026 है, right? So it comes from who they are, and people will judge you again not based on who you are, based on what their thought process is.
ये अंडरलाइन किया जाए. हाँ, मतलब आप सोचते ना कि हम कहते हैं कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. तो आपकी जिंदगी में 15 साल की टीचिंग, एंड समवेयर आई रेड दैट, यू नो, वो टीचिंग के दौर पे भी या फिर दैट लेफ्ट ओवर फूड, देयर सम little that sad story there. What was that? Yeah.
I got married in 2000 and my daughter was born in 2006. You know, so those, and I am as a person very fond of children, and I have brought up so many kids around me. My best friend's daughter, my daughters, my sister's daughter, my sister-in-laws. Like I'm their best buddy even now.
How nice.
So, but when I was not getting pregnant, and when you listen to things, actually जो आप movies में सुनते हो ना, वो सच है. So I still remember, and I have those stupid memories of which no amount of therapy can take them away. Okay, so I remember once I was praying, and one fine gentleman, if I may call with sarcasm, पीछे से मुझे आवाज़ आती है कि जितनी मर्जी अर्जी तुम लगा लो, जब तक तुम्हारी अर्जी पे हमारे दस्तखत नहीं होंगे, तुम्हारी अर्जी कबूल नहीं होएगी. तो मुझे बड़ा अजीब लगा, ये क्या लाइन है? जब तक तुम ये नहीं बोलोगे कि मुझे बेटा दे, तब तक तुम्हारी गोद नहीं भरेगी.
ये क्या है?
ठीक है. And again a shock कि ये क्या statement है यार? मतलब yeah, okay. Then I remember one wedding that we had gone to, and I was not very fat. I was a fine, good Punjabi girl, and Punjabi कुड़ियाँ मतलब रब्दी मेरे सब सोनिया होंदियाँ ने, right? And one auntie जी just looked at me and she asked, बच्चे नहीं हुए अभी तक? I said नहीं. बड़ा शौक है आज़ाद रहने का, जवानी का, अपनी फिगर का. and it was so heartbreaking because उसे 3 दिन उससे 2 महीने पहले मेरा miscarriage हुआ था. Okay, and it was such a pain to listen to this, you know, that how can people just say anything to you? And then बात वही है कि आप कितना अलाउ करते हो किसी को बोलना, इतना दूसरा आप कितना अलाउ करते हो उस चीज़ को अपने ऊपर हावी होना देना. और तब मेंटल हेल्थ और ये सब इश्यूज को इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं दिया जाता था. दो पीपल नाउ आर चूजिंग whether they want to have children or they don't want to have children, but I personally feel it's the biggest blessing and beauty. You bringing a parenthood is so beautiful.
Oh, nice.
Right. And in our case, it was also the family stuck around because of the child. So that has been instrumental. And after that, I continued teaching. Then 2013, I quit teaching job.
And why was that?
So along with teaching, I was doing, I was studying side by side. I did MA English, MEd and MBA.
Yeah.
And advertising PR also. I was like laying my hands on whatever courses I can. So, but 2013, I quit job finally to join a magazine. Yeah. So, because उसके पहले मैंने बहुत सारे corporate houses में किया था, मुझे कहीं पे भी selection नहीं. Teaching is a very laborious and a very hard-working profession.
Of course it is.
But somehow वो 50 साल पहले वाली जो image है कि तुम स्कूल में जा रहे हो, 2 महीने की तुम्हारी छुट्टी है और तुम स्वेटर बुन रहे हो, वो नहीं है.
बिल्कुल सही
It is possibly the only profession where you have to be physically present all the time.
100%.
From the minute you enter till the time you are off, and there are staybacks, there are events on holidays, there are school functions, there is so much, there are meetings, there are follow-ups, you are constantly working.
Next level.
So I'm laborious today owing to my teaching profession.
क्या बात
You know,
यार.
finally मुझे लगता था कि मुझे कुछ ना कुछ तो और करना ही है और इस system से मुझे बाहर निकलना है. So then I quit my teaching job.
Okay.
And you know, I remember my daughter was 2006 born, so she was 7 years old at that time. So the first thing when I told her कि मम्मा job छोड़िए, you know, her first expression was, तो अब आप थोड़े दिन तक रोज आप मुझे बस स्टॉप पे छोड़ने चलोगे और आप मुझे लेने आओगे. So first week I dedicated to that, you know, dropping her at the bus stop and
Amazing.
picking her up. It was an absolute delight.
क्या बात.
And then I used to discuss everything with her, but इसमें ना बच्चे बहुत mature हो जाते हैं. बहुत मेच्योर हो जाते हैं जब आप बच्चों के साथ बहुत सारी बातें करते
हैं. लगा मैं एकदम मेच्योर्ड. आपको एक वाइब कब आई कि ये मेरा बच्चा तो बड़ा हो गया.
When she was in 6th, 7th standard, that time I felt that she has.
उसने कुछ ऐसा कहा आपको?
नहीं, वो बोलती कम थी. तो जब वो चुप रहती थी कुछ बातों पे तो तब मुझे लगता था कि मुझे बहुत गिल्ट फील होता था कि you know, children should be naughty, children should be expressive, children should be unfiltered. So when a child chooses to be quiet on seeing inequality or unfair situations around, then you see that you have आपने बड़ा कर दिया उस बच्चे को.
क्या बात.
Right?
So many mothers could actually relate.
Yeah. तो वो मेरे को उसके बाद मैंने मतलब deliberately एक effort किया कि नहीं, I have to be there with her, interact so much more so that you know, that childishness, that innocence stays. She is innocent even now. But that maturity became a part of her personality.
हमारे सेगमेंट में ना there's सुपरमनिया कॉलिंग सुपरमनिया. अगर एक सुपरमनिया का आपको आज कॉल करना हो तो कौन होगा इस इंटरव्यू के दौरान?
मेरी daughter.
Can we do that right now?
Oh, so sweet.
Can we do that, please?
Yes.
A video call if possible.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, wow.
So Mehar authored her first book.
आपने
in
15
class
लिखी
11.
है. अब one more.
No, but मैंने resource books लिखी हैं.
Resource books, exactly.
उसने अपनी poetry की book लिखी है. And the language in that is such कि I think it will take me 3 lifetimes to reach that expertise of English.
Wow.
Although I'm MA, MBA.
Oh my God. So guys, ये एक वो moment होने वाला है जहाँ पे Superwoman calling Superwoman, a mom calling her daughter. I think, and I will get to meet her. I think the youngest poet in the family, yeah. Amazing.
All just so inspiring once you hear it. No matter how funny or how cute she may seem on the outside, she's very tough and very strong.
Wow. You won't believe you made this interview more magical by just becoming a part of this interaction. And next interaction, I want you also to be seated with us.
Should have come today.
We love you. Mama को थोड़ा emotional भी करा दिया आपने.
So you know, in her poetry book, I'll send that across to you.
Please do that.
Reading her poetry actually made me feel very proud, but somewhere very
It's okay.
heavy heart, you know, that such a young girl has such matured and slightly misanthropist feelings also. Slightly,
जितने पेरेंट्स आपको इस वक्त सुन रहे हैं देख रहे हैं व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू टेल देम पेरेंटिंग एंड यू नो जैसे कि आई कैन सी दैट यू नो जो एक हैवीनेस है मेरे को फील हो रहा है क्या बोलना चाहोगे
firstly believe in your child and let the journey मेरी लाइफ में सबसे सुंदर जो मुझे लगता है एक और पार्ट हुआ अदर देन मेरी फिटनेस की तरफ जो जर्नी शुरू हुई स्पिरिचुअलिटी की तरफ मेरे इंक्लिनेशन
बात है
So when you get into learn about spirituality, you will understand that human beings have just been sold a box of lies.
वाह
And they have been sold a box of lies simply because of 2-3 things. Power, control, and either you use the name of religion or you use the name of the status.
गॉट इट
So, but the journey of human being is from being limited to limitless.
बिल्कुल है
तो आज से 5 साल पहले क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता था इंटरव्यू में कि आप 5 साल बाद अपने आप को कहाँ देखते हैं. मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ 2020 जनवरी के हर उस इंसान से कि आपको पता था 5 साल की कोविड आने वाला है, क्या आपको पता था 5 साल बाद ये हो जाएगा. आज से 6 साल पहले किसी को पता था कि क्रिएटर फील्ड एक ऐसा आ जाएगा कि आपको वीडियोस करने हैं और आप ये करोगे और आपके फॉलोअर्स हो जाएंगे और आपको उसके लिए अवार्ड भी मिलेगा. पता था कि आपको पॉपुलैरिटी मिलेगी. नो, डॉक्टर बनोगे, इंजीनियर बनोगे, ये करोगे, वो करोगे, हमने दुनिया देखी है, हमने ये करे. डोंट फॉरगेट चाइल्ड इज द फादर ऑफ लाइफ.
वाह
And when you are receptive to learning,
Yeah.
when you are ready to unlearn,
वाह
then that is the only way forward. Had I been sticking to that profession, मैंने तो 15 साल टीचिंग में
Teaching
निकाल
की है,
दिया.
हाँ.
मैं आगे क्या करूंगी? अरे कुछ भी नहीं करूंगी. कोई बात नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं करूँ. कुछ तो लिखा होगा ईश्वर ने, right? Robert Frost, when he said that, you know, I chose the path, I chose the road less,
Yeah.
you know, the road not taken.
Yep.
Yeah. So when you choose the road which is less traveled, that will give you much more experiences. But everyone around you will fill you with fear. यहाँ जाओगे तो ये हो जाएगा, ऐसे करोगे तो वैसे हो जाएगा, ऐसे करोगे. अरे भाई जाने तो दो.
तो जिंदगी में आपकी जो ये जितनी आवाजें द नॉइजेस तो you were surrounded with so many noises then you have broken free right
So the noises in the background and around you have to be replaced with the voice that is here.
yeah lovely
So
यही तो वो बात है आई थिंक दिस इज व्हाट द होल मकसद एंड माय पर्पस इज वेरी क्लियर इन लाइफ कि मैं आप जैसे यू नो इंस्पायरिंग वुमेन से मिलूं और जो कहानी जो यू नो आपने बहुत कुछ देखा है बट जिस तरह से आप बोल रहे हो ना आपकी वो जो एनर्जी है वो मुझे बहुत कुछ समझा रही है यू डोंट नो बट यू आर एक्चुअली गिविंग अस अ लॉट ऑफ लाइफ लेसन्स
2009 I just wanted to get very thin. मुझे बस भूत सवार हुआ कि मुझे बहुत पतले होना है, बहुत पतले होना. I just stopped dating. I used to have just 1 meal a day and
व्हिच इज गुड और बैड
very, very bad.
Point.
And because it was, and after that, nothing at all. And 2-3 months, I got so weak. And 2009, I lost my mom also. And 2 months after she expired, I was hospitalized because of, you know, because my immunity had also become very, very weak. And this not eating. And then my tiffin used to be generally a leftover vegetable with a namak mirch ki paranthi.
Oh.
And during my fitness,
Conscious call, your call of eating this like this and losing weight.
of the leftover food or of the both. No, not eating was a choice. Leftover food was a situation.
Situation.
ठीक है, अब सब्जी बची हुई है या कुछ बचा हुआ है तो आप ये ले जाइए सुबह टिफिन में, आप खा लेंगे. अब खा लेंगे तो ठीक है. सुबह कुकिंग तो मैं करके जाती थी बट देन ठीक है खा लेते थे वही कि वो वेस्टेज होने ये है वो है. बट it impacted my immunity a lot.
I'm sure.
And you know, when I became a Fit India ambassador and I took more than 500 sessions all over the country,
Yes, you have
and
done
with
that.
paramilitary forces, and there I realized 99% of the women go through the same. Even with the choice, they go through the same. Because we have been, so you know this,
ये conditioning
I
क्यों है?
choose myself, I do this. ये post 2019, the Instagram and all the social media has educated people into
Yes.
all this. Till that time,
ये conditioning
choosing
थी।
yourself, no, sacrifice की देवी आप बनते हो तो आप सक्सेसफुल थे. ठीक है, नहीं तो फिर आपके बारे में बैकबाइटिंग ही होती थी कि you are not adjusting with this. Nobody was proud of you.
Okay.
Okay. And so that conditioning was there. And it was there in the society. So what the change that you are seeing today, the grey divorces happening or women choosing to be themselves or prioritizing themselves, it's not happened overnight.
बिल्कुल
So women were conditioned during that generation to be like that, and they were conditioned by people, you know, maybe much, much elder to me. This was the conditioning. And most of the women would not around you would not even believe what you were, what if you shared anything that you were going through. So in my field of spirituality, I met 2-3 women who were very, very supportive.
क्या बात
Very supportive. They actually gave me that confidence, you know, to think about and how thoughts are energy and how you have to, through prayer,
जब
through chanting, all these
athlete
things
life
will
आई,
help. Yeah.
आप ऑलरेडी स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी में जा चुके
नहीं,
थे?
athlete life जब आई तो initial 1 year was very, very tough.
What was it kind?
And so I was working out with a group, and they were all not, again, uncertified trainers. None of them was
Oh.
qualified.
Okay.
So, and typical that habit that, you know, I was doing 9 hours of workout, 1 katori dal in the morning, because none of them had any knowledge about. But then 2015, when I got inclined towards spirituality, that is when I feel I tasted freedom for the first time in life.
Wow. With the
Okay,
Commonwealth
after 2000,
game
yeah.
coming into your life.
So
How was
Commonwealth,
it,
I
yaar?
was ready for getting Commonwealth. So till then, I was competing
Getting-
in bodybuilding. And
Right.
2017, I competed in
For
powerlifting.
bodybuilding, the entire Chimeco world. Let's talk about your husband. Was he a little surprised? Huh? Bodybuilding, I'll see my wife. Actually, you know, is that
So
avatar?
bodybuilding has 3 domains.
You
So
look
one
so
is the figure
amazing.
athlete, one is the fitness athlete,
Huh.
and another one is that those bodybuilders
Exactly.
who you see. So I was in the figure athlete category.
Oh, wow.
It's called the model physique category.
Brilliant.
So in that, you don't have to be thin. You
More
have to be lean. You have to
lean and
be
petite.
but your muscularity has to be there.
Wow.
Very good, very low fat percentage, very good muscle quality.
क्या बात.
So my husband and my daughter have been extremely supportive for everything. You know, so my daughter still remembers कि first time आप जब मम्मा world championship के लिए आप गए थे, so that was actually the, I think, second time that I had stepped or traveled outside
Wow.
house without my husband.
Without.
तो she now tells me कि आप हर 5 मिनट में फोन करते थे हमको. अब मैं ये कर रही हूँ, अब मैं ये कर रही हूँ, अब ये हो रहा है, अब मुझे डर लग रहा है, अब मुझे ये हो रहा है, अब मैंने ये नहीं खाया, आज मैंने खाया,
small
फिर
kid
मैंने
you are.
खाना खाया, and she remembers that.
क्या बात
So,
है.
you know, I realized after that because they were always with me, constantly with me at every step, so they were involved in my journey. You know, so whenever I would go for any event or anything, either as a child, she would come with me. If she had an exam the next day, we would prepare in the cab. You know, we would have
बात
that
है.
quiz competition, this and that. And after the event, we would
कैसे
have
कर
dinner
लेते हो
and
इतना
this and that.
कुछ?
So women are blessed with multitasking. ये आजकल है, you be a hustler, this and that. In my age, मेरी एज की सारी लेडीज करती हैं. शायद मुझसे बेहतर ही करती होंगी.
तो जब कॉमनवेल्थ की बात आती है 2017, you know, imagine holding the India का flag. Oh, can I relive the moment with you?
That was
Ginny, what was that?
a beautiful moment.
कुछ बताओ, how was it? How was the morning of that day? लगा था कि
So powerlifting के लिए मैं from figure athlete to I had to shift to powerlifting. So powerlifting के अंदर क्योंकि आपको अपनी पावर बढ़ानी है, आपको लिफ्ट हैवी करना है, तो उसमें आपका फिजिक बहुत इम्पैक्ट होता है. तो मेरे लिए इट वाज डबली चैलेंज्ड क्योंकि मैं फिट इंडिया और ऑन एथलीट भी
कैंपेन
थी.
भी फेस हो गया.
ठीक है, तो ऑन एथलीट के साथ साथ आपको अपना वर्कआउट भी ऐसा करना है, प्लस आपको अपनी स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ानी है. सो मैं 2015 से लेके 2018 तक आई वाज कोचिंग अंडर अभिनव मल्होत्रा, who's a Dubai based trainer. Okay, love you Abhi, even
Yeah.
now. Okay, and he used to send me online guidance completely,
वाह.
and I trained under him. And after that, he only guided me about, you know, it's all about food and workout.
Yeah,
Okay,
of course,
and
the
the
hard
right
work.
supplements would be protein. I've always taken BCAA. I've always taken, and that time, of course, multivitamin and with aging calcium also, and fish oil. Other than that, he has not given me prescribed any other supplements to me. So उसके बाद उस time पे tough था, लेकिन जब preparation शुरू हुई, it was also, you know, just a coincidence. You know, I used to work out in a gym, and then those people a group was practicing. So I remember one fine day मैं बस जा रही थी, तो उन्होंने वहाँ पे जो एक भैया थे, उन्होंने मेरे को एकदम बोला कि जा रहे हो आप डेडलिफ्ट करोगे? I said हाँ कर लेती हूँ. तो वहाँ पे 90 kg पड़ा हुआ था, and I just went there and सब लोगों ने क्लैपिंग करनी शुरू कर दी. उस टाइम जिम में जितने भी लोग थे, तो तब उन्होंने मेरे को बोला कि आप पावर लिफ्टिंग क्यों नहीं ट्राई करते हो? मैंने कहा अच्छा, पावर लिफ्टिंग चलो कर लेते हैं ट्राई. एंड इट वाज दिसंबर 2016.
बात है.
सो फिर उन्होंने बोला पहले नेशनल्स के लिए तैयारी करो. नेशनल्स जम्मू में हुए थे 2017 में, एंड जनवरी में आई टर्न 40. सो मास्टर 1 कैटेगरी में मैंने नेशनल्स में जस्ट रैंडमली किया, एंड आई गॉट 4 गोल्ड मेडल्स इन माय कैटेगरी.
यार
That was a जो चकदे मूवीज और इन सब में
हाँ,
दिखाते हैं ना,
मैरी
actually
कॉम मुझे
वही
याद
वाली
आ गई,
feeling होती है।
चकदे याद आ गए,
हाँ, तो
सब
वो
याद आ गए।
सब अपनी लिफ्ट प्रिपेयर कर रहे होते हैं और पूरी पूरी टीम्स लगी हुई होती हैं, वो स्प्रे वॉलिनी के लगे हुए होते हैं, वो it and you know that dress and everything, it is very it's amazing, it's an amazing feeling.
क्या बात है, I'm going to put
And
all the pictures
yeah.
here. I'm going to
Yes,
show your
yes.
2017 का.
Yeah, so
the
2017
journey.
after the nationals, then there was the trial for Commonwealth. And then I participated in September in 2017 in Potchefstroom. It's a small town in South Africa, in Commonwealth. So powerlifting is not an Olympic sport like weightlifting.
Got it.
So it has its own Asian and its
Criteria.
own Commonwealth.
Right.
So from 2014, after the first World Championship, when my story was published, that's
Yeah.
why I hold print media and national medias like FM, and I'm so grateful that I'm here today at Fever FM.
Thank you.
I hold all these things very close to me because the first article that was published on me, which was in HT Brunch,
क्या
it
बात.
changed the way world looked at me.
Amazing.
You know, it was like overnight कि कल तक हम अखबार पढ़ते थे, कल तक आप हमें अखबार से पढ़ाते थे, आप इंग्लिश टीचर थे, आज हम अखबार में आपके बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं. So one amongst us has risen. So there's a story of a phoenix, you know. So I strongly believe in the story of phoenix, and I believe there's an age for everyone.
वाह.
So somebody starts at 20, some start at 30, 40, 50, 60. तो जिसका जब लिखा है, पर लिखा जरूर है
लिखा
ईश्वर ने.
जरूर है.
उस वक्त का इंतजार करता हूँ.
I am
I keep
actually
doing
very-
courses, I keep reading a lot, I keep making notes. Even now I'm carrying a diary. In fact, if you want, I can show it to you, where I just note down certain wise words by my father.
Wow.
And whatever I learn, whatever is the best,
Papa
I can
is there?
actually show it. Yeah, Papa is there, and he's
My
touch wood, very, very humble. I have so many recorded messages where he sings a lot of nice things. You know, he has a habit of, so he has 11 degrees. He's a master's in almost
How old is
8.
that?
He is 81 now.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
rocking. Yeah, my
Yeah.
God. क्या बात.
And
Can I
this-
see this picture?
Yeah, sure. So
I know Papa को हम लोग disturb नहीं करेंगे in the segment, but
I
want to
have a
see
very
him.
I'll show you a lot of
That would be great.
the start. We can listen to them. So he keeps singing and he keeps sending these things to me. Because he says God says this.
एक साधु महात्मा पेड़ के नीचे बैठ के प्रेयर कर रहे थे, नमाज पूजा कर रहे थे. उधर से बच्चे गुजर रहे थे, स्कूल से आ रहे थे. बच्चों ने कहा बेर खाते हैं, तो पत्थर मारा बेर को, पत्थर बेर गिरा, बच्चों ने खाया, फिर मारा पत्थर, वो महात्मा जी को लग गया. महात्मा जी एकदम गुस्से में हो गए, कह रहे कि किसने पत्थर मारा है, मैं उसको शराब दे दूंगा. बच्चों ने कहा महात्मा जी हमने तो आपको पत्थर नहीं मारा, हमने तो पेड़ को मारा है. पेड़ पत्थर को पत्थर मारते हैं, वो हमें बेर देता है.
पापा को पता चला मेरी बिटिया कॉमनवेल्थ जीत के आ रही है. What was Papa's reaction? What मतलब वो क्या कर रहे थे? भागड़ा कर रहे थे, लड्डू बांट रहे थे.
He was very keen that I become either an engineer or an IAS.
Oh.
I could not become both. So initially when I got into teaching, he was not very happy. And after that also, you know, then you learn to accept life. My mom was not well, 4.5 years she was on dialysis. So that had a very, very tough time with her at that time. She went through a lot of pain. So after that, when I shifted to fitness, he was also not very sure. He said, you should not be quitting at this time because you're 37 already.
All right.
So I was like, oh, Papa, it's okay. I will not do anything maybe, but I don't want to
Amazing, yeah.
continue in this job.
Amazing.
But after that, again, you know, कुछ लोग होते हैं जो आपको बोलते हैं like maybe I will kiss my daughter 100 times and tell her I am proud of you. हमारे जनरेशन के पेरेंट्स नहीं बोलते थे, है ना? तो मेरे पापा ने मेरा एक सुपर 6 रन की ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनी थी मैं. And there was a huge press conference, you know, that complete paparazzi, and when the t-shirt was revealed and huge clapping and around 40 newspapers and magazines, and that time print media was in vogue. There was so many. So there was, I did not know Papa is joining that. So I asked him, Papa, will you come? आप आ जाना? He said, हाँ मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा. But वो क्योंकि मेरे साथ नहीं गए थे तो मुझे नहीं पता था. Then one question asked that who do you think is what makes a hero? And one of the newspaper persons, like one of the journalists asked, and पीछे से आवाज एकदम आई मेरे पापा की, what makes you think she is not a hero, right?
20-year-old जीने को अगर आपको इस वक्त कुछ अगर बोलना होता to your 20-year-old self, what would have that been?
Choose your career and profession very carefully. Number one. Your profession will decide the kind of experiences you're going to have, the kind of people that you're going to meet. So be very, very, very careful. If you want to take time, you want to drop a year, you want to spend one whole year of your life thinking what you want to do, please do that.
आई विश प्लीज कभी ऐसा मौका मिले कि आप अपने ऑटोबायोग्राफी के साथ भी यहाँ बैठे और हम उसे पढ़े.
I hope that happens, and I also hope I am manifesting a biopic also. And कभी-कभी बात करती हूँ किसी से तो पूछ लेती हूँ कि क्या तुम्हारी कहानी में मेरा जिक्र होगा, और मेरी कहानी में तुम्हारा जिक्र जरूर होगा.
तो अगर होगा तो ये छोटा सा पोर्शन भी आ जाए
ये
तो
भी आएगा.
नॉट बैड.
So Fever FM का जरूर होगा. एक fan from being a fan, from being an avid listener to sitting here on the Super Womania. It's like it is a blessing. It's immense gratitude for this, and it's nothing short of a wonder.